Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube Studio app not loading. So when you're opening the YouTube Studio app and your entire app is just not loading, then here's how you can fix that. We can see that on my app we just got a split second of loading screen. However, if that loading screen just doesn't go away and it just keeps on loading, then here are 3 easy ways to fix this. The first one is double checking if you have your Wi-Fi connection enabled. You do need actual Wi-Fi for the YouTube Studio app. You've probably already checked it, but just make sure to double check that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Now the second thing what actually worked for me is really easy. Just once you're at the dashboard right here, just go to the top right corner of your screen, click on switch account and just switch to any other YouTube account you have. Just do that and then you want to go back to your main account and that should fix a lot of loading issues you were having because it basically just refreshes your YouTube app. That should fix the issue for you. It did for me. Now if that is still not working, then what I would recommend doing is going into settings and literally all you need to do on Android is scroll all the way to the downside on your main page till you find YouTube Studio. And what you need to do on iPhone is go into general, iPhone storage, because we are going to clear the cache of our YouTube Studio app on our iPhone or Android. You want to find YouTube Studio like this, and on Android you will just have a clear cache button. On iPhone we doesn't have this. We do have an offload app button, so just click on that and it should clear the entire cache of your YouTube Studio app. It will hard reset the app, just reinstall it after you've offloaded the app and it will still be logged into your YouTube account and everything will still be there. It will basically just hard refresh your entire YouTube app and that should fix a lot of issues you are having with the YouTube Studio app. So if any of these fixes fix it for you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. If it did not fix it, please comment down below and I will try to help you. And that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.